From stone axes to spears to millstones to automobiles and now cyber physical systems, man through manufacturing has continuously improved living standards. The big question has transitioned from can we do it to how well can we do it. My research addresses this question while minimizing energy usage and wastes. This can be achieved by integrating topology optimization into additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing. Topology optimization obtains the optimal structural layout for a design using minimal material, which additive manufacturing is capable of printing irrespective of how intricate. This is applicable to the aerospace, medical, and other industries. Although answering the big question is by no means trivial, we are consolidating our achievements by breaking out of conventionality. In this new dispensation, impossible is nothing.